How do we decide between a preferred and an alternate wave count? Although the structure of the specific chart is the ultimate test, sometimes clues might come from a different source. Let's take a look. The UK's FTSE-100 index has vastly outperformed a broad measure of the UK stock market over the past year. The FTSE-100 is weighted towards commodity-linked stocks, and so it's interesting that the outperformance has coincided with a raging bull market in commodities. This chart of the CRB index shows the incredible surge in commodities since 2020. We showed this chart on the 21st of June and noted that the index was likely reversing at a typical Fibonacci extension level and also almost exactly from the level of the 0.618 retracement of the entire decline from 2008 to 2020. Moreover, a bearish ending diagonal pattern might also have been present. As we said at the time, this is evidence that perhaps the rally in commodities has ended. Since then, commodities have continued to decline, and the CRB index is now down around 15% from last month's high. The probability is quickly rising that a peak in commodities has been seen. So, what does that mean, if anything, for the FTSE-100 index? We had been considering this Elliott wave structure, whereby the top at 7687 was wave 3 and that a sideways triangle is playing out for wave 4. However, inputting the evidence from the CRB index encourages us to make that count the alternate, with the preferred wave count now being that a deep wave 2 has completed and that wave 3 down is underway. If that is correct, we can anticipate that the FTSE-100 index will decline, perhaps dramatically, over the next few months. The most important aspect of Elliott wave analysis is adhering to the rules and guidelines of wave formation. Therefore, the specific chart you're analysing is key. Nonetheless, this example shows how we can use information from elsewhere in order to rank preferred and alternate wave counts. It's definitely something to have in your toolbox.